Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target, which seems to be an easy one once again. So I'll use two divs to create this one. First of all, A, then B. We don't need the closing tag for B. Then I'll write not body, I'll just put the star. No width or height required. And the background is going to be this color, it's pasted. Now A comma B will have a same property, which is obviously the background color and the we need not even give the background color, leave it. Only position fixed to just make them appear. Now A, I'll give it a border first. So it will be, 30 pixels and solid this color paste. Now let's give it the width, which I think would be around 100. Not 100. I know it would be more or less than that, but 150. Let's open the difference. Okay, first of all, the border has to be more than this. So 40. Yeah, quite better. Let's use margin to take it to the intended place. First of all, this is almost there and this isn't almost there, so 40. Okay, the height has to decrease to maybe 100. No, 10, 20. So maybe here it will be 41 to, yeah, 42 is correct. And here 1, 2, let's decrease the width, so 90, 80. Yeah, 80 is correct. Now we need to give border radius, but only at the top. So border radius 50%, 50%, 0 and 0. If it is 40 pixels and 40 pixels, let's take it to 80 and 80. Almost there. 82, 79, 78, 78. And now width is going to be 40 pixels, as it only has to cover the border. So 40, and height is also 40. Now let's use margin to place it wherever we need to put it. So once again 100. Now with margin I'll take it further down the line. Yeah, 200 is correct. And 60, 70, 80, 90. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah. So let's submit it once and see if it is 100% match. I hope it is. It is a 99.9%. Let's try with 80 itself. because that's the only difference. Okay, it worked. So let's remove all the extra space. So as I said, it really was an easy one. Although I didn't come up with much ideas for this one, which I usually do. So let's see what our final score is. The final score is 668.6. Those are too many things. And the average score is 610.56. So still we have got a better score than the average one. And the average characters are 460 and our are 185. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.